So what are you gonna do today?
Puppets.
Okay, show us that circle one.
Circle one?
Yeah.
This is shape.
Yeah, can you show it?
I'll show it. I'll just show it. Look. Look. Circle.
Oh, wow.
It's like a tire.
Yeah. Can you show the square?
I'll find out. This circle. This is circle.
Oh, a fidget spinner.
A fidget spinner. Look. 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 Look.
What's it called?
Puppet.
Okay. Can you show us the simple dimple?
Look. This is a big dimple.
Yeah. Show us the small one.
Look.
What colors are it?
Green, orange, cream, chalk.
Yeah. Show us the unicorn.
Okay. Look. The square.
Oh, it's square.
Yeah.
There's a rainbow.
Oh my God, I'm Shrek.
No?
Can you show us the unicorn?
I'll show it there.
Okay.
Look.
Okay, now this.
This one's great. I'm good.
Now this one.
I'm the giant one. I'm finished. I'm finished.
So.
Fidgets. Fidgets.
Wow. Can you show us? Can you show us these?
Look.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Show us.
Look. That's all fidgets.
So can you show us what they do?
Pop these.
Okay. So should I show them?
Zuma. 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 Zuma.
Do you like Zuma?
Yeah. Flowers.
Show us.
Look. Zuma. Zuma. It's Zuma.
Yeah.
It's Zuma.
Then we have a circle one.
And then
that's the fidget spinner and an infinity cube.
look. Look. Truck. Look, truck.
Can you show us the pop tube, Armin?
Look.
It broke.
Broke. Hey guys.
And then this dimple. Can you show us?
This is simple dimple. This is this. No, I need to finish. I need to finish.
Okay. Then this is a simple dimple. And then this is a dimple spinner and it has numbers on it.
Yeah. I want to spin it. I want to spin it.
And then this is a mood octopus. It changes to
This is great.
an angry octopus. Green. And then we have a mushroom. And then a monkey noodle. Amen. Gonna stretch the monkey noodle.
Yeah?
Oh. Okay, stretch it.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye.